Good morning everybody, Ken Ring here of www.predictweather.com. It's the 23rd of June. The moon is in Scorpio today, that's the astrological sign, and it's making its way to the southernmost point, which is Capricorn, which is about there, and that will be on Friday. As you can see, it's nearly at the full moon situation, and the phase at the moment is called waxing gibbous. Waxing gibbous, that's the fog phase. It is the time of the month when we get more morning fogs than any other time, and it's because the moon sets after midnight and it's out of the sky all night, and that allows the colder air from space to come closer to the ground, and the moon rises after noon the next day, around about 1:30, so that gives a good long time for the ground to cool down if it's winter time. Scorpio is not a settled sign, so there's a bit of changeability can be expected. Also, some freakish weather at times can result. Now, we're past the winter solstice, that was yesterday, so in the southern hemisphere the days are starting to get longer. Not that you'd notice it, it's by, a second a day or something like that. In New Zealand and the bottom half of Australia, we have a colder spell arriving because the moon's in the south, basically. And here in New Zealand, in winter, the southern declination, which, it will be at the end of the week, usually brings anticyclones, big highs that hang around the South Island. And when you see it on the TV weather maps, you'll see a big H, and where the H is usually the coldest part, because the colder air comes down the middle there, so of an anticyclonic situation. So we're in for some cold over the next couple of weeks, and the first week in July could be the coldest week in the whole year. So stay warm wherever you are if you're in the southern hemisphere. In Ireland, I think you're looking at the last week of the best of the summer weather, because after June the 30th it goes a bit cloudy. There'll be some more sun in August, but it should be cooler by then overall. And if you look on the website, I've put up a little wee article about what to expect over coming months for the rest of the year for Ireland. Just a bit of a commercial now. We've posted up the July reports for New Zealand and Ireland in our ebook sections, so that should give you all you need to know day to day for the next month. And the Australian report for July, that'll be put up next week. We have to wait until Channel 7 make use of it first. And if any Australian farmers are watching who live near the New South Wales-Victoria border towns there, we have a new report available just for that region, and that's in the ebook section too, and it's about $6, which is about the price of a cup of tea, which is about the price of all of our reports, our regional monthly things that we put out. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you catch me tomorrow.